Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all your Oreck cleaning, repair, and service needs. We get a lot of customers calling in from all of our locations asking about, do we do Oreck vacuums, do we repair them, are we a warranty center? All the answers to those questions are yes. We are an authorized dealer, which means we sell all of the Oreck brand vacuums as well as we service them, repair them, and do warranty work on them. Our process is really simple and easy. We are here 7 days a week. There's no appointment needed to bring your Oreck in for repair or servicing. Just simply show up, give us a little bit of brief description as to what's going on with it, what's wrong with it, and then what we can do is give you a diagnosis. Now, we do offer same-day repairs, so if you are looking to get a repair done the same day, please let us know ahead of time when you're coming in to let us know you're trying to get a same-day repair to make sure we have the parts available and everything's ready to go for you when you get here, so we can get you in and out as fast as possible. Now, some of the older ones and some of those specialty Orecks we may have to order parts for, which usually takes 1 to 2 days, but then we'll leave you a repair ticket. We'll give you a receipt of that ticket, and then once the technician takes a look at it, we'll get you the estimate. We'll either text you or call you and let you know when the repair is done, and then you just bring it, we'll call you and you just come back in and pick it up. The warranty process is a little bit different. Just show you proof of purchase. We'll need some of your basic information, and then we'll send everything off to the manufacturer to get the warranty parts for you, and the same process still applies. We'll call or text you when it's ready for pickup. We deal with servicing Orecks as well. Every vacuum cleaner should be serviced and maintenance, regularly filters changed. Regularly, we try to say every year, but if you can't make it every year, every 14 to 16 months is fine. It's a preventative maintenance that helps the machine perform better, last longer, and run better. So if you're interested in that, we have a lot of different servicing that we offer for all the Orecks. We are serving all of Northern Virginia, Maryland, DC, and the surrounding areas. So if you're in this area and you're looking for an Oreck vacuum repair, come see us at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all your needs, okay? Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, follow us on YouTube. We have a lot of great stuff and different content on there that you guys might like and be interested in. If you have any questions, call us at 703-997-9292. We can help you out with whatever you need. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and come see us for all your vacuum repair needs. Thanks, guys.